Hello and welcome to a special video on Google Trends. Now in this video what I'm going to be talking about is how to use Google Trends and how to research on what is being talked about right now. Other words, the buzz. What is the buzz right now? So the first thing I'm going to do right now is head over to Google and type in Google Trends, and what you want to do is head over to this link that says Google Trends and you'll have today's date. Okay, now as you can see, this is the Google Trends for USA, and as you can see it says hot trends here, and at the moment these are all the hot trends which are being talked about by a lot of people on the internet. People are typing this on Google. So for example, at the top we've got Don Cornelius. So let's just check who is Don Cornelius. I'm just going to highlight this, copy over to Google and paste this guy's name, press enter, and in fact Don Cornelius was or is an African American television host, and he's also been on the news a bit. Let me just click on news, and this is in relation to the death of Michael Jackson. So he was actually at the awards, the BET Awards of 2009. Okay, so that's that. Let's just check for someone else. Let's check. Let's just click on this one here, Eddie Levitt. Let's copy Eddie Levitt. Okay, who is this guy? This guy was an American singer, R&B singer. Click on news. Again, it's probably in relation to the death of Michael Jackson. So, as you can see, this was the 9th searched term out of 100 according to Google Trends. So we just click on this Eddie Levitt guy, and as you can see, he's been talked about in blogs and news, and people are actually searching for him. Okay, and that's how you use Google Trends. You basically look for keywords such as this, and look for websites in relation to what people are searching for. Okay, let's just do one more. Let's just do this one. Watch BET Awards online. Copy, paste that phrase here. Watch BET Awards online. There you go. There's several, in fact there's millions of websites who are setting up their websites in relation to this keyword, watch BET Awards online. Okay, and we just click on the actual key term. As you can see, it's been talked about in blogs and other places, other websites, and these are the related searches. Okay, thank you very much for watching this video, and I hope you use Google Trends for your business.